You know, when going out grocery shopping, everything has changed so much. I hope that you are wearing gloves when you go out. I also hope that you are wearing a mask. And when you go out, don't lean all up against the counters and the cabinets while you're grocery shopping. Don't touch and hold the food, looking at it. We don't know what each other has as far as touching things. We can spread viruses that way. So there are a lot of different rules that you should follow when you're going out grocery shopping now. You should still stay 6 to 8 feet away from people. Even when you're in the grocery store, you need to practice social distancing. And always, always practice hand washing. Remember, do not touch your hands to your face or around your mouth. Make sure that you practice hand washing. And you should be washing your hands, they say, at least for 20 seconds with soap and water. That is all that is required. So practice all of these things. I'm going to show you a picture of how I go to the grocery store. And then when I come back, I try to dispose of everything. And then I also use hand sanitizer as I'm leaving the store. And then when I come home, I go directly into the bathroom, wash my hands, and take off my clothes. And usually if I'm wearing a jacket or something and I know that I have touched up against counters and different things, I will put those clothes into the dirty clothes. And that's maybe what you have to do just to be safe. So you really should not be going out except to buy groceries, to get medicines, to the doctor, or things that are necessary. So those are really the only places that you should be going. As I said, to buy groceries, to your doctor's office, to the pharmacy to pick up medicines. These are about the only places that you should be going. You don't really want to be going out because the more people that are out, the harder it will be to practice and to do social distancing. Hi, it's Keto Granny. Thanks for joining me. Well, it's time to show you some of the foods that I ate for the past couple of weeks on the ketogenic diet. Remember, on the ketogenic diet, you want to keep your meals super simple. And when I say super simple, you can invest in things like eggs, bacon, sausage, avocado, spinach. Invest in cauliflower or cauliflower rice. Also, invest in meats, ribeye steak. Invest in, if you like, pork, short ribs. Invest in meats that have fats in them. But when you make your grocery list, keep it simple. Buy about 2 or 3 different meats, like buy a package of ground beef, buy some bacon, some sausage, eggs. These are things that you want to have in your diet because you can make many simple meals from these items that I have mentioned. In this video, at the end, I am going to include a grocery list. And this grocery list is going to lean more towards some of the meals that I made in this video, where you can purchase these items and you can make some of these meals yourself. Also in this video, I will include information as to videos that have recipes, the video and the recipe. I will list that information down below for you. So enjoy. These are some of the simple meals that you can make on the ketogenic diet, and these are some meals that I have enjoyed this month on the ketogenic diet. cauliflower rice, and I had collard greens. So you saw my plate before I started eating, and this is what I have left. So you see, if you're doing the ketogenic diet, and when you become fat adapted, it doesn't take very much to get you full at all. As you can see, I ate about not even quite half of my pork chop. I ate quite a bit of my cauliflower rice, at least I was trying to, in my collard greens. But these are the type of meals that you can eat on the ketogenic diet and be very satisfied and get full. Okay, so just letting you see what I had. And what I had was pork chop with a little bit of gravy. And then I had cauliflower, stir-fried cauliflower rice, and I had collard greens. So I had a really good meal that it was prepped in the refrigerator, everything except for the pork chop I had to make. So, as you can see, when you become fat adapted on the ketogenic diet, you won't be eating a lot of food. Even though you'll be very hungry, you will get full fast. So I just wanted to show you this just to give you an example of what you can expect on the keto diet. Okay. Breakfast is amazing this morning. I have some almond flour, pancakes, sausage, some bacon with a boiled egg. Delicious. Delicious. If you have enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe box below, and that way you won't miss any videos that I make or share. Thank you.